Today we are going to make chicken lollipop. For this I have taken around 10 pieces of chicken lollipop, and these are the ingredients which we are going to use. You can get the list of the ingredients from the description of the video. So first wash your chicken and pat dry, and after that take all the ingredients mentioned under 2 marination and add them into the chicken pieces. 1 spoon chili paste, 2 spoon ginger garlic paste, half tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1/4 tablespoon sugar, half tablespoon black pepper powder, half of the salt which you are going to use in the dish as per your taste, and 2 or 2.5 spoon of tomato ketchup sauce. Mix them well but gently and keep it in the refrigerator to marinate for at least 1 to 2 hours. Though overnight or at least 6 hours will be the best. And also when you start preparing the dish, take out sometime before so that it comes to the normal temperature, or defrost it. Add 1 broken egg, around 1.5 tablespoon of corn flour, around 1.5 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, that means Maida. Coat them well. So, I have added black pepper, remaining salt in the corn flour, and we have coated the chicken pieces now. Now we will deep fry them. Now heat enough oil for deep frying of the chicken pieces in a wok or in any open vessel, and while frying we will keep the flame to the medium. Once the oil is hot, add chicken pieces into it. In batches of 5, fry them until they start turning golden brown. The top pieces are good brown in color. Take them out, leaving the extra oil behind. Turn off the heat and take out the lollipop pieces, leaving the oil behind. Our chicken lollipop is ready to eat, and you can enjoy it with the tomato sauce, chili sauce, or some chutney. If you like the recipe, like our video and also share our video. Please subscribe to our channel. So we'll see you again very soon with a new recipe, with a new dish. Till then, bye bye and take care of yourself. Enjoy your chicken lollipop. Have a good night.